So here we have the 1998 Ford Econoline. I'm just going to do a really quick walk around just so you can see the vehicle and the paint job on it. As you can see, it doesn't have any dents, just some paint issues, but no major body work needed. And then I'm going to go inside and show you the inside. So let me go ahead and show you what the driver's seat looks like. So you can see everything is in pristine condition. And this is the inside. As you can see, the lift is here. You have plenty of room back here. And I'm gonna enter through that door. You gotta fold this one over as well. What the back looks like. Trunk area. Looks like you have some storage here and here. This is what it looks like back here. It looks pretty self-explanatory. And then the bed. And we'll go ahead and start her up. And then I'll take a video of the engine running just so you could hear what it sounds like. But as far as this area goes, you do have some storage here. And it looks like you have some more additional buttons up here.
Anyway,
AC works.